ever hear the saying that your nose and your ears never stop growing? Well, honestly, to a little extent it can be genetics, but actually it's a thing which you can totally prevent. And this has something to do with our lymphatic system. We have fluid running all through our body, which is in charge of our immune system, depuffing us and generally keeping us healthy. So when this fluid starts to accumulate due to muscle tension or like not enough movement, then you will see this fluid accumulate in this area right here. You get also puffy. It starts to accumulate right here. Everything starts sagging, and since also with age your bone density goes down and this liquid goes in, you think your nose becomes a little bit puffy right here and also bigger. So first things first, we can massage that area and always drain towards your ears and down your neck. Generally when you massage your face, go towards your ears and down. And the same also with your ears. Give your ears regularly a wiggle and massage them. And then lastly, there are facial exercises which can strengthen the area right here, so the nose will not kind of like flap out, but the muscles will hold it in place, and long term you will not have this like puffy nose look, so to speak. Try it out.